Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to do something really fun and super effective for improving your English: writing a journal. I know. Many of you want to write in English but don't know how to start. What should you write about? How long should it be? What if you make mistakes? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step. By the end, you'll have your own English journal entry. Ready? Let's go. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about how much you improve when you write something every day? Writing a journal is like having a conversation with yourself, but in English. It helps you reflect on your day, organize your thoughts, and even boost your creativity. Plus, it's a great way to track your progress and see how much your writing improves over time. And guess what? You don't need to be a professional writer, you just need to start. The key is to be consistent. Even if you write just a few sentences a day, it will make a big difference. So, let's jump in and learn how to write an awesome journal entry in English. Step 1. Why should you write a journal? First, let's talk about why writing a journal is such a great way to improve your English. It helps you think in English. When you write your thoughts, your brain starts to process information in English rather than translating from your native language. It improves your vocabulary. The more you write, the more words you will learn and remember. It makes writing easier. At first, it might be difficult, but with practice, it will become much more natural. It's a great way to track your progress. You'll see how much you improve over time. It boosts your confidence in using English. The more you write, the more comfortable you'll feel expressing yourself in English. It allows you to express your emotions and thoughts clearly, helping you to communicate better in English conversations. So, if you want to get better at English, writing a journal is a must. Step 2. What should you write about? This is the big question. Many people don't know what to write about. But the good news is, you can write about anything. Here are some simple ideas. 1. Your daily routine. What did you do today? Even small things count. Example. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I made a cup of coffee and had toast for breakfast. Then, I went to work and had a busy day. 2. Your feelings and thoughts. How are you feeling today? What's on your mind? Example. Today I felt really happy because the sun was shining. I went for a walk, and it made me feel so relaxed. 3. What you learned. Did you learn a new word? A new phrase? Write it down. Example. Today I learned the phrase, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It means to solve 2 problems at once. 4. Future plans. What do you want to do tomorrow? Next week? Next year? Example. Tomorrow, I want to start reading a new book. Next year, I hope to visit another country. 5. A funny or interesting story. Did something funny happen today? Write about it. Example. Today, I spilled coffee on my shirt before a meeting. I had to wear my jacket all day to cover the stain. See? You don't need to write a long story. Just a few simple sentences are enough. Step 3. How to write a journal entry. Now, let's write a journal entry together. Here's a simple format you can follow. 1. Date. Always start with the date. 2. Greeting. Optional. You can write something like, Dear Journal, or just start writing. 3. Start with your day. Write about what happened today. 4. Express your feelings. How did you feel during the day? 5. Write about tomorrow. What are your plans for tomorrow? 6. Closing. Optional. End with a simple sentence like, That's all for today. Or, Good night, journal. Here's the full example. February 11th, 2025. Dear Journal, Today was a long but fulfilling day. I woke up early, around 6:30 a.m., and decided to start my morning with a short workout. I did some stretching and light jogging in my living room. It made me feel energized for the rest of the day. After breakfast, I headed to work. I had a lot of tasks to complete, but I managed to stay organized and finish everything on time. During lunch, I met up with an old friend. We talked about our childhood memories and laughed a lot. It reminded me of how important friendships are. In the evening, I spent some time studying English. I read an article about space exploration and learned new words like astronaut, orbit, and gravity. Later, I watched a movie in English without subtitles. It was a challenge, but I was able to understand most of it. Before going to bed, I reflected on my day. I realized that even on busy days, taking time for myself, whether it's exercising, meeting friends, or learning something new, makes a big difference. I feel grateful for everything I experienced today. Tomorrow, I plan to wake up early again and continue my morning workout routine. I also want to practice speaking English by recording myself talking about my day. Let's see how it goes. That's all for today. See you tomorrow, dear journal. Easy, right? Now it's your turn. Pause this video, grab a notebook, and write your first journal entry. If you want, you can share it in the comments below. I'll be reading and giving feedback. Final tips. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Just write. Keep it simple. You don't need to write long paragraphs. Just a few sentences are fine. Make it a habit. Try to write every day, even if it's just a few lines. Have fun with it. Writing a journal should be enjoyable, not stressful. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Happy journaling. Bye! I'm going to make this a series. If you want to see more journal writing videos, stay tuned.